This next quick and easy win will turn your website and your clients' websites into lead generating machines. The HighLevel web chat widget enables us to put a chat widget at the bottom corner of all of our websites that serves as a gateway into an SMS conversation. This is not the old school live chat where you open it up and you send your message and it replies with, "We typically respond in 6 hours." Let's be real, nobody's going to sit around and wait for that reply. But the HighLevel web chat widget is just a gateway into an SMS, meaning when they fill out the form, it comes into the system as a text, and when we reply, it goes back to the lead's phone as a text message. So we untether our prospects and our customers from our website. They're free to go about their day, but we maintain the conversation. You will be amazed at how many leads and conversations the web chat widget generates once you get it set up. So let's go learn how to install it. All right, so the HighLevel web chat widget can be installed on any website. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about 3 different ways, the first being how to set up on a HighLevel website. Then we'll talk about how to set it up on WordPress websites. And the third is the script you could use to set it up on any type of site. So let's imagine you're just getting started with your agency. You don't have a website yet. We're going to go left-hand column down to Sites, and then we're going to click on the Websites tab, and let's click New Website. We're going to click into the template library and launch an agency website template. So at the top right, let's just search agency. Here we get a bunch of awesome options. I'm just going to select the second one, hit continue, agree, and then hit get this template. Once that templated website loads into the account, go ahead and click it. And we're not actually going to do any work on this website. We're just going to preview it. So on the home page, let's click the preview button. And here we can see what this template looks like, but notice there's nothing in the bottom corner here. So let's go back and let's click into the settings of this website. And notice how we have a toggle down here for the chat widget. All we have to do is enable that toggle, hit save, and then we can come back to our template, hit refresh, and notice how it loads up with the chat widget here. If we clicked that and entered a name, a phone number, and a message, this would come into the system as a text, and when we reply, it would go back to this lead's phone as a text message. So it's that easy to set up the chat widget on a HighLevel website. So now let's talk about WordPress. Maybe your site or your client sites are built in WordPress. If we're in the back end, all we need to do is go to Plugins, Add New, search for the plugin called Lead Connector, then go ahead and hit Install Now. Once it installs, hit Activate, and then once it loads, just click the Lead Connector item in the menu. And then here it's going to ask you for your API key. So you just need to head into the sub account and then click Settings. And here on the business profile page, you'll see an API key section here, and you can just click the clipboard to copy the API key and then bring it back and paste it here into the settings field. Then hit save, it'll save the key, give you the green check mark, and you're good to go. So now all we have to do is come over here and click enable chat widget, hit pull and save. And then if we go to the site, hit refresh, we'll see the chat widget at the bottom. And again, if we were to fill this out and hit send, we would see the conversation pop up in the conversations tab. There it is. And then if we reply, it's going to go back to my phone as a text message. Okay, so let's talk about the third option. If you're not using a HighLevel website or you're not using a WordPress website, we can get the script for the chat widget and put it on virtually any site. And we do that by going to Sites, and in the Sites area, we click on Chat Widget at the top. And here's where we get all the settings for the widget. So we can come in here and configure the messaging, the default messaging, what it says when you open the widget, colors, all that kind of stuff. And we can even brand it yourself. So again, you can put your own powered by link here in the bottom that links back to your white label of HighLevel. And then we get some more settings down here. But once you have it configured, just scroll to the bottom and hit Get Code. And here's the actual script that you just need to paste into the body of whatever site you want to put this on. Notice there's actually 2 convenient options here. You can get the default option, or you can get the option that works with Google Tag Manager if you're using Tag Manager for all your sites and your client sites. So congratulations, now you know how to install the chat widget on your agency site, all of your client sites, and once again, you will be amazed at how many people initiate conversations through the chat widget, because remember, chat is the most preferred method of communication.